Alright guys, we're here in Uluoloa. We always drive past here and we try to come check out Sweets because it's just down the road from our house. And again, we're all about local businesses and we're here to support. Oh, look, I got the little girl wavy. Hey, I got something for you. Let's go. See, just as well as a sign for us to come to Sweets because the little girl straight waved at me and because of the good energy she gave me. We're gonna toss some Hot Wheels to her. So let's go. Here you go for her in the back. You're welcome. At the same time, we're gonna come get some. Same time, we're gonna come try out the ice cream and see what's right here.
This is Sweets.
It's right here in Uluoloa. So if you guys like Farmer Joe's, get your pies, come get an ice cream. Let's go. Cookies in the creamy. Fire in the mouth. Let's go. Yes, what the kids say, just pour them. Nah, man, we can't do that. We gotta give them more. We gotta give them more. We gotta give them more Hot Wheels. Yeah, we gotta give out more Hot Wheels. Y'all already know because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here.
I have twins.
Yeah, all of them. There's plenty. Let's go. What's up, brother? Oh, what the hell? What was I doing? Oh, we go around just for what? Oh, dang. You have any kids? No? You like toys? Oh, hold on, wait. Let's go.